Jharkhand is a young state in eastern India. It was formed on November 15, 2000. This day is also the birth anniversary of the tribal hero Birsa Munda. Though young as a state, its land and people have a very ancient history. Jharkhand means the land of forests. About 3.29 crore people called this state home according to the 2011 census. This number continues to grow. The population density is around 414 people per square kilometer. It is a land teeming with life, culture and traditions. We will explore what makes this state so special. Most people in Jharkhand live in villages. Nearly 76% of the population resides in rural areas. Their lives are often simple and closely connected to the land. They depend on farming and forests. However, cities in Jharkhand are also growing. Places like Ranchi, the capital, Jamshedpur, the steel city, and Dhanbad, known for coal, are important urban centers. Many people migrate to these cities. They search for jobs and better opportunities. Yet, the soul of Jharkhand truly resides in its numerous villages. These villages uphold the traditional ways of life. Let us look at the sex ratio in Jharkhand. In 2011, there were 948 females for every 1,000 males. This number tells us about the balance between men and women. The state is working to improve this. The literacy rate was about 66.41% in 2011. Male literacy was higher than female literacy. Many efforts are being made to educate everyone. More children, especially girls, are going to school now. Education is very important for the progress of any society. It opens doors to a brighter future for the young people of Jharkhand. Jharkhand is a home for many different communities. It is truly a diverse state. A significant portion of the population belongs to various tribal groups. These are the original inhabitants of this forested region. Besides the tribal communities, many non-tribal people also live here. They have come from different parts of India. Everyone lives together, contributing to Jharkhand's unique culture. This mix of people, traditions and languages makes Jharkhand a vibrant place. It is like a beautiful garden with many kinds of flowers blooming together. Jharkhand is famously known as a tribal heartland of India. Around 26% of its population belongs to scheduled tribes. There are 32 officially recognized tribal groups in the state. Each tribe has its own distinct culture, language, and traditions. Some of the major tribal groups include the Santal, Munda, Oran, and Ho. These communities have preserved their ancient way of life. They have a deep connection with nature, especially the forests. Their history is rich with stories of bravery and resilience. They are the guardians of Jharkhand's ancient heritage. The Santal people form the largest tribal group in Jharkhand. Their language is Santali. Santali is a unique language and even has its own script called Olchiki. The Mundas are another prominent tribe. They primarily speak the Mundari language. Their villages are often nestled in hilly and forested areas. Both Santals and Mundas have strong community bonds. They practice agriculture and also depend on forest resources. Their art, music, and dance forms are very vibrant. They tell stories of their ancestors and their relationship with the natural world. The Oran tribe is also a significant community in Jharkhand. They are known for their energetic traditional dances. Their language is Kuruk, which belongs to the Dravidian language family. The Orayans have a rich folklore and many interesting customs. The Ho tribe predominantly inhabits the Kolan region of the state. They speak the Ho language, which is part of the Munda language family. The Ho people are known for their strong social structure and are skilled cultivators. They have a proud history and have fiercely protected their identity and territory through the ages. Tribal festivals in Jharkhand are a joyous celebration of life and nature. Sarhul is one of the most important festivals. It is celebrated in spring and marks the new year for many tribes. People worship the sal tree during Sarhul. Karma is another major festival. It is celebrated for a good harvest and the well-being of the community. Sora is a festival dedicated to cattle. Homes are decorated and cattle are bathed and adorned. During these festivals, people sing, dance, and feast together. These celebrations reflect their deep respect for nature and strengthen their community ties. The people of Jharkhand follow various faiths and religions. Hinduism is practiced by a large part of the population. Sanaism is the indigenous religious belief of many tribal communities. Followers of Sanaism worship nature, including trees, hills, and forests, as sacred. They also honor their ancestors. Islam and Christianity also have a significant number of followers in the state. There are beautiful mosques and churches alongside temples and sarna stalls. This religious diversity is a hallmark of Jharkhand. People generally live in peace and harmony, respecting each other's beliefs and practices. Agriculture forms the backbone of Jharkhand's economy. It is the main source of livelihood for a majority of the rural population. Rice is the principal crop grown in the state. Other important crops include maize, millets, pulses, and oilseeds. Most farming is dependent on the monsoon rains. This makes agriculture vulnerable to weather changes. Traditional farming methods are still widely used. The government is making efforts to improve irrigation facilities. They are also promoting modern agricultural techniques. This will help farmers increase their produce and improve their lives. Mining is a very significant economic activity in Jharkhand. The state is blessed with vast mineral resources. We will learn more about these minerals soon. Many people find employment in the mining sector. Besides farming and mining, forest products also provide livelihood. People collect timber, bamboo, tendu leaves for bidis, lak, and various fruits and medicinal herbs from the forests. These forest products are used for personal consumption. They are also sold in markets to earn income. Handicrafts made from bamboo and wood are also popular. Jharkhand is rightly called the land of forests. About 29.76% of the state's total area is covered by forests. These forests are rich in biodiversity. Sal is the most prominent tree species found here. Other common trees include teak, bamboo, gamhar, and mawa. These forests are not just home to trees, they are also the habitat for a variety of wildlife. Several important rivers originate in or flow through Jharkhand. The Damodar River, once known as the Sorrow of Bengal, is a major river. The Subarnarekha, Koel, Sank, and Baraka are other vital rivers. They provide water for drinking, irrigation, and industry. Jharkhand's forests are teeming with diverse flora and fauna. This rich biodiversity is a precious treasure. You can find majestic elephants roaming in these forests. Tigers, though elusive, also inhabit certain protected areas. Other animals include leopards, sloth bears, various species of deer like samba and chital, and wild boars. The state is also home to numerous species of birds and reptiles. Betla National Park is a well-known sanctuary. It was one of the first national parks in India to become a tiger reserve under Project Tiger. The Palamu Tiger Reserve is another crucial area for wildlife conservation. Jharkhand is often called the Ruhr of India due to its immense mineral wealth. It holds a significant share of India's mineral reserves. The state has vast deposits of high-quality coal. Jharia, Bokaro, and North Karampura are major coal fields. Rich iron ore deposits are found, especially in the Singhbhum region. Jharkhand is also a leading producer of mica and kyanite. Other important minerals include copper, bauxite for aluminum, limestone, and uranium. These minerals are vital for various industries across India. Mining centers like Dhanbad, Jamshedpur, and Bokaro are hubs of economic activity. Despite its natural riches, Jharkhand faces serious environmental challenges. Deforestation is a major concern. Forests are being cleared for mining operations, industries, and infrastructure development. This loss of forest cover leads to soil erosion. It also destroys wildlife habitats and affects the climate. Pollution is another significant problem. Mining activities and industries release pollutants into the air and water. This contaminates rivers and affects public health. Tribal communities whose lives are closely linked to forests often face displacement from their ancestral lands due to development projects. Climate change is also bringing new challenges like erratic rainfall. In conclusion, Jharkhand is a land of fascinating contrasts. It boasts a rich tribal heritage and vibrant cultures. It is endowed with abundant forests and mineral wealth. However, it also grapples with significant environmental and social issues. Protecting the pristine environment is of utmost importance. Ensuring the rights and welfare of the tribal population is crucial. The state needs to find a sustainable path. This path must balance economic development with the conservation of nature and culture. The people of Jharkhand are resilient. With collective effort, they can build a prosperous and environmentally sound future for their unique state.